Hi kids. A, B, C. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for banana. B for banana. C. C for cat. C for cat. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. Now I am drawing aeroplane. Now I am use blue color. Now I am using blue color now. I am using magenta color now. I am using green color now. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. Now I am drawing letter B. I am using yellow color now. B is for banana. B is for banana. Now I am drawing banana. I am using yellow color now. B is for banana. Now I am drawing letter C. I am using green color now. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. I am coloring cat. I am using pink color now. C. C is for cat. I am using blue color now. I am using brown color now. Please subscribe this channel and watch the full video. Hey kids, A for aeroplane. B is for banana. B is for banana. C is for cat. C is for cat. A, B, C. Bye bye kids.